Hi guys, thought I'd create a little video on how to enter a quote in Odoo. I've created a couple of products already in the product settings, and I'm going to now create a quote for one of the customers. I'm on the contact screen, but you could be in CRM under a sales opportunity. There's a button there to create a quote, but I'm going to do it right from the contact record. I've pulled up a list of customers. I'm going to use Warren Associates as the customer for this one. I'm going to search and find Warren Associates. And once in there, I'm going to click on the sales button. And then I'm going to click create under quotations and sales. On the create screen, it'll fill in automatically for the quote the customer that you were on, and you can update if there's an expiration date or payment terms. It has some standard payment terms in there for this quote. Then down below you have the order lines, so I'm going to add a product to the order or to the quote. In this case, I'm going to start by adding I have a signs product. I'll add that one. It pulls up down below the standard description that I filled in on the product. So right now it just has all the options listed. You can type in this box whatever you want to put. So I'm going to get rid of the word signs, which is the product name. And I'm just going to leave the description the way it is. We can talk about how you want to format the description that will appear on the quote. Up top, you can change the order quantity. I'm going to say we're ordering 5. I left a default price of $1, but let's say it's $50. Say it's $50. Taxes, we have to fix your taxes so that it shows 7% instead of 15%, but you can put a discount per line item if you need to, if you want to show it as a retail price and a discount. But let's say we have it all done. I edited the description the way I wanted, changed the pricing, and I'm going to save and close that item. So now we have that item on a quote. Now I can do the same thing to add a second item on the quote. And let's say they need a digital scan done. I have that product set up, and they need 5 items scanned. I had plugged in a $35 price that I saw in one of the quotes from Kyle. And down below, I did the same thing with, excuse me, the description. I just plugged in some standard options that I thought applied to digital scans. If that all looks good, I'm going to save and close that item. So now I have 2 items on the quote. I can check the pricing, it calculated tax, and I can put some general notes or comments here down in the bottom. Once it's all done, I go up to the green save button, click save. It's ready to send by email to the client, or I'm going to print it right now so you can see what it looks like. I'm going to save it. It's creating a PDF that you can use and send a separate email with the PDF attached. And here's the quote that's been generated. Looks pretty much like what you saw on the other screen, except it's all formatted nicely. We have the Warren logo put in, all the Warren information's ready to go. We can change this format if you want a different format, but you can print it now or attach it to an email or just send an email from back within here. You can send an email to the client. So there, that would duplicate your current process pretty much. We need to spend some more time talking about some other things, but I think this is something that you could probably start using right away if we get all the products in. So There you have it.